In today's video, I'll show you how you can add someone on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So here we are on WhatsApp, and from here to add someone is that you just simply need to open up your WhatsApp app and then tap on the plus button on the top right. And then from here, you would now be able to see your contacts and so on. But what you need to tap in here is the new contact button, which is this one. So you want to tap on that. And from here, you want to provide the first name and then the last name of the contact that you would want to add on WhatsApp. So from here, you can go for a sample, for example, tutorial or contact actually, right there. And then now you could go for the phone right here. So you could choose what phone it is or where it is from. So you can choose the country. And then you can now add the other or the rest of the phone digits right here. And then you could also sync it to phone if you would want it to be saved into your phone or add via QR code. You could also import it right here via QR code by tapping on the add via QR code button. And yeah, basically that's it. And then all you have to do now, once you are done with that, is to tap here on done on the top right. And then from here is that you will have this arrow right here. It says can't save contact right now. Save this contact to your phone and it will sync to WhatsApp later. So you can just tap here on save to phone if you have this pop up. Another method that you could do is that you could go here into your phone app right here on your iPhone. And from here is that you would want to go into keypad right here on the bottom right. And then from here, you want to type out the number of the contact that you would want to be added into WhatsApp. For example, just this one, random one. And from here, you just simply would want to tap on the plus contact button on the top right and tap on create new contact and basically just create a new contact here on your iPhone. And then after that, tap here on done on the top right. And then basically later on when you open up WhatsApp is that it will now be synced into your WhatsApp contacts if you have given permission for WhatsApp to sync with your contacts. If you're not sure if you have given it permission, you can always go into the settings of your phone. And then from here, you just basically would want to go here at the very bottom where you can see the apps right here. Tap on that and then go into WhatsApp. And from here, you want to make sure that the contacts in here is in full access. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.